So I'm going to show you a really cool way to get an ambient sound. And you don't have to use like my pedals necessarily to do this. You can use stuff like this, and like I have a DD3 and a few other things that I use. My clean tones starting out. Then I'm going to put a booster on. This just boosted the volume a little bit. It's clean. Well, mostly clean. It pushes it to kind of like distort a little bit, I guess. I don't remember what I have this set to, but it's a phaser. And what I'm going to do, that's not what I want. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this to a reverse reverb. So this is reverse reverb. And then I'm going to put this on an ambient, like a kind of, it sounds like it has like a chorus effect or some kind of pitch effect underneath it, like an octave, I don't know. So without the reverse, it sounds like this. Here, let me show you like a normal reverb real quick so you get a better idea of what this thing can do. I'll stick with this and this. Then I'm going to use this delay. And without these effects, it's like. Alright, so when you put all of those together, you can do things like this. I like doing stuff like that because it kind of reminds me like violins or cellos, like just the reverse on its own. You can kind of get that. But when you add that extra like reverb on top of it, it's like way more cool and ambient. And the delay, depending where you got the mix and everything, it makes it even more ambient, and I like that. Anyway, that's like a cool trick. You just two different reverbs, a delay, and I used a boost. But you can even use it on something like distortion. Hold on, I'll show you that real quick. recommend if you do that with a distortion, do it with the distortion with the volume knob.